Okay, so today's video is how to change the door of the BEKO fridge and freezer. They're pretty much exactly the same, the bracket's exactly the same. I'm going to demonstrate it on the freezer, but this is for a scenario of, see, I'm going to have both mine open up almost like a double thing. Sometimes you need them swung on the right, sometimes you need them swung on the left. So I need mine swung on the left. At the moment it's swung on the right. So I'm going to show you how easy it is just to swap from this side to this side. It does tell you how to do it in the instructions, but again, picture paints 1,000 words. Right, so let's get started. So first of all, you're going to need a torque bit, which is T20 is the one that does it. First of all, we need to just take off the actual door. 4 screws. Nice and easy, the door still stays in situ. Put them up the top, on the side, open up the door and just pull the door out. Nice and easy, like that. Then what we need to do is we need to take the brackets off. But this bracket will be that bracket, the bottom bracket will then be the top bracket. So remember that when you take it off. So always find the easier way to do it is, so that's going to be our bottom bracket. So flip it over, because these bits here are the bits that screw into the wall or the other cabinet to secure it. So it makes it nice and easy. So that's how it was. Flip it over, place it down there. Ready for the next one with 2 screws. So that's bottom. Again, screw off this one. Like that. Again, flip it over. That's our top bracket. Nice and easy. So the next thing we need to do is we need to take these lugs off. There and there. So I find Stanley knife, best way to do it. One lug, take it off. Ooh, take it off. Pull it straight on the other side so you don't lose them. Next lug off. Off, straight on the other side. Oh, ping that one over there. Off. Other side. Again, pinged it all the way over there. Straight off, back on there. Right, nice and easy. So now we want to do the brackets back on. So again, like I said, take our top bracket, get the first screws, nice and easy, and just screw them in, just a fraction, because the brackets are designed quite well that screws are in and they slide straight over. So again, double check that this bracket is on the outside. Again, as you see, you just slide the screws over. So go to the big bit there, slide across like that. If you tighten up this one first, this gives it the guide, because it's only one place it can go. And then you tighten up that one, and it locks into position because they're countersunk, so it sits exactly where it's meant to do. We'll do exactly the same for the bottom. Screw them in a little bit. Again, it should be perfect because the top one is. So I totally messed that one up, didn't I? So now we need to go across like that and then across. Again, do the one closest into the fridge. Up, up. Close it, close it. Get the door. And you need to do exactly the same thing on the door. Ideally try not to scratch it, but if you do, it doesn't really matter because there's a door front going on it. Take one off, put it in the other side. Sometimes they don't come out as easy as you think they should. You keep dropping them everywhere. That one off. that one off, and then just take it both off at the same time. Put the other side. Oh. Quick. There we go. And then you just want to slide the door back in. Like that. Just line up the holes. Take your screws that you put on the top. Try and start it off. It's always easy. If you can't, grab it. Just nip them in a little bit, just to make sure all the screws will go in. Come down to the bottom. This one's moved slightly, so let's give it another little tap. Sometimes you just need to just wiggle it around a little bit. That's going to go in easy. There we go, got that one. Now this one should go in easy now, that one's lined. It's always one, isn't it? So why is that one not going in? There you go. Now you can tighten them up. There we go, one door change. Boom! Boom! Jo was watching me the whole time there. But this is our channel, so really she should be doing this, shouldn't she? Why aren't you doing this?
I'm cooking food for you.
Cooking food instead. So there you go. One fridge door done. If you like the video, please thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe. And hit the bell notification, let you know anytime I put some more videos up for all your renovation and DIY needs. Thank you very much. Bonjour.